Well, everybody knows that I have started my model hobby back up again, and I've been goofing off with it today. I've been working on my battery box and my connectors and my control panel, which is around back here, and the wiring, the fuel tubing, the fuel container, the pump. Okay, and starter, I finished that a while back. I got that going. Okay, here we have an engine. Here we have a starter. Now, I've got these connectors. Oh, I want to show you this box. Yeah, this is my battery box, and I have to tell you to be really, really careful around these batteries. It never hurts to say that because I've almost touched those terminals a number of times today. This is an SAE connector, which I think SAE stands for Society of Automotive Engineers. It really works well. Here's my fuel pump right here. Here's the fuel line, which you take over here and connect it to the engine. This is all old-timey stuff. This is the way they used to do it 40 years ago. And then you turn on the fuel pump right here, or back here. So go either way with that. That's the fuel pump. Now I'm gonna put a Y connector on this, but right now I need to switch it. Okay, I'm gonna switch that real quick. And you're probably looking at the ceiling right now while I'm switching this. It won't take but a minute. There we go. Now I switched it. Like I said, I'm gonna put a Y connector on that so I can have both this line and that line connected at the same time. Now I've got the motor, the starter connected, motor starter connected, so away it goes. So now I got it fueled, got the fuel in the plane, got the starter, got this is a glow plug driver. This one's I'm going to use as a backup. They make them without wires now, so nowadays they make them without wires. So I'll put that in my box and use it as a backup. So that's it. I've been playing with the model stuff.